Understanding Adjust the HeadSpace, a guide to mental clarity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's not just about physical adjustments but about fostering mental well-being. Adjust the HeadSpace. This expression is rich in meaning and can be a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Let's explore together what it means, how to use it, and why it's relevant to our daily lives. Adjust the HeadSpace is a metaphorical phrase that refers to changing your mental focus or attitude. Imagine your mind as a room where your thoughts and feelings reside. Sometimes, this room can get cluttered with worries, stress, or negativity. To adjust the headspace means to clear out this mental clutter, making room for positivity, calm, and clarity. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Personal self-care. When you're feeling overwhelmed, someone might advise you to adjust your headspace as a way to encourage you to take a step back, breathe, and realign your thoughts towards something more positive or peaceful. Professional environment. In a workplace setting, if a team is facing a challenge, a leader might say, "Let's adjust our headspace," implying that a shift in perspective or attitude could lead to a solution. Creative processes. For artists or writers experiencing a block, adjusting their headspace can mean taking a break, seeking new inspirations, or changing their environment to reignite creativity. Here are a few practical tips to help you or someone else adjust their headspace. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help clear the mind and promote a more focused and peaceful state. Physical activity. Exercise can significantly impact mental health, clearing your mental room of stress and negativity. Healthy social interactions. Spending time with loved ones or people who uplift you can positively influence your headspace. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help in processing emotions and clearing your mind. Adjusting your headspace is about finding your inner balance and peace amidst life's chaos. It's a valuable concept, not just in language learning but in cultivating a healthy mental environment. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use Adjust the HeadSpace in your conversations and personal growth journey. Stay positive, and remember, your mental space is yours to shape and nurture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content.